I really love working in services.
I just love ABB.
ABB Electrification Service Division.
I love working in service team because number one is problem solving. Solving diverse and tough problems for customer is very rewarding. Hi, my name is Nurul Ain. I am a project manager for electrification service in ABB Malaysia. I actually oversee and coordinate projects to improve customer satisfaction and service delivery to ensure that they are done efficiently, in timely manner, and within the budget. Communication is very important. Any issue we need to address promptly to ensure that execution goes as smooth as possible. Every day brings a new challenge that tests my analytical and creative skills. Working in service division means always learning and growing because we need to keep up with the industry trends. We need to gain new skills. It actually keeps me motivated to improve personally and also professionally. I love electrification service division. I feel like they are family to me.